Alright guys, me and my boy A right here. We about to do this little run back to the house. Ryker 900, Ryker Rally. You already know, sports mode, guys. We're in Sunderland last right now, and we're heading back towards Springfield. Back roads. Hold up. Oh no, my phone went black. Hey, it's still recording. It's going. Alright guys, so we're in Sunderland. We're heading back to Springfield. Me and my boy A, like I said, he got the Ryker 900, I got the Ryker Rally. You know, we both in sports mode. We just came through this way, coming here, quick little way here. My battery's dead, so I was like, I didn't even want to take the time to change the battery. I was on the way here. We ended up catching up with some kind of dope Porsche, and we was dipping with the Porsche. I was like, you know what I'm saying, I ain't saying this is keeping up with the Porsche, but I was keeping up with the Porsche at this time, because he wasn't going over, he was going like 80, 90, and I was there with him. Woo! My navigation's not working. My shit not working. I gotta stop. Stop right there real quick. I gotta fucking... My shit dead.
What's that?
My phone. Yeah. I do, but it don't reach while I'm fucking... Fuck it, we're gonna figure it out. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Phone died, guys, and that's my navigation. I think I know the way though. We only turned like twice, and it was like straights, so we kind of lost. Oh yeah, I know where we at. We took a left at the second stop, so we got to keep going up the first. We're going south. 16 south. But we went all the way around last time. Oh, South Hadley. Yeah, that's where we going, South Hadley. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You could do it. 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 Subi, you gotta Subi, let's go. Speed limit's 45, you gotta pick it up, lady. That's Mount Tom right there. I ain't lost. As long as I know where Mount Tom is, I'll never be lost. soon as they give me a passing lane, y'all know what I'm gonna do. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it, King Joffy Joe. No, don't do it. I ain't gonna do it now, but you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna go from 45 to 35. What kind of junk is that? Oh my god! Yeah, like we was coming down here with the Porsche doing like 80. Hugging them curves, like I'm leaning on them curves, yo. Like, you know what I'm saying? We did it. We did my damn thing. I was on this bunch the whole time. It was a dealer. He had dealer plates on it, so I don't think he was trying to beat on it. You know what I'm saying? But I was like, yeah. I was all up on that. I was all up on that. Mount Holyoke. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know if I came this way last time. Oh, you can do it. You can do it, little guy. Silly. Silly. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Granby? Okay, we're going the right way. We're going the right way. Uh-oh, I see passing lanes. I see passing lanes. You know what that means. What are you doing? You gonna turn? Oh, we want to go that way too. Granby. I seen a Granby sign. We got this little miss right here. School bus be stopping up here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Don't be braking. Don't be braking. Ain't no one in front of you. That's the open road. Change this. You put this on. Someone asked to see my RPMs, so you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hook y'all up with some RPMs on this one. So if you need to see some RPMs, you want to see those RPMs. Right now I'm doing 40, you know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get to 80.